YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the bell notification. Do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. Guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. Now, I wanted to dive right into these charts today because we're seeing some bullish action out of Bitcoin, and the sentiment is starting to change, guys. A lot of people were saying that this would probably be a fake out, as you guys could see on the side. Still, a lot of bearish people in the last couple hours, though. People flipping bullish just because we got a big couple buys in Bitcoin, as you guys could see, price spiking up right here. But it's kind of funny how the sentiment changes day to day. People are constantly flipping between whether they're bullish or bearish on Bitcoin. But guys, the fundamentals have never changed. The things that we've been talking about on this channel have never changed. So you guys can see this is Bitcoin right here all time. We've talked about the fact that we have not seen a clear blow off top. And this is what we've been looking for. This blow off top that would indicate that this bull rally is over. In my opinion, this bull rally is not over. And I've said that so many times on this channel that I didn't think that this bull rally was over. I was one of the few people that was saying like that this consolidation would probably take some time, but it seems like the market is wanting to make a recovery. As you guys can see, Bitcoin now making higher highs past couple weeks. This is what we want to see, guys. We want to see the bulls fighting back. And again, we have not seen a blow off top. So in my opinion, we are going to see a higher high for Bitcoin, and not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. It's a great time to buy Bitcoin. We've been talking about the fact that it's a great time to buy Bitcoin. I think maybe, so I just want to take you guys over to our fear greed index over here. As you guys can see, every time that Bitcoin has gotten into an extreme fear level, right? You guys can see the score is 6 on the fear. That's very low, right? We want to see something like this, like a 91, right? This usually would indicate a top, right? That when people are getting too greedy would indicate a top, but when people are getting too bearish, this indicates a great time to be accumulating, which is what we've been talking about. The fact that every time Bitcoin on this fear greed index drops into this red, it's been a great time to buy Bitcoin, guys. And look at this. Look at our 200-week moving average over here. Also looking very bullish. Every time Bitcoin has touched our 200-week moving average, we've jumped. This is we did break under it this time. For the first time ever, we broke under it. This was back in June. And a lot of people saying that this chart would not hold good. But look, guys, it is starting to hold good. I mean, you can't ask for much better than this. Like, if this thing is correct, which a lot of these charts, again, look at our pi cycle indicator. Pi cycle indicator also, every time Bitcoin has dropped under this yellow line has been a great time to buy Bitcoin. It's actually been a time right before a big parabolic move. Look at this. If you bought Bitcoin right here, look at this big parabolic move up. If you bought, if you bought, you got to buy it under. You can't buy it over. If you buy it over, then that's an indicator that it's overbought and that you're probably going to see a sell-off. So that's kind of what happened here. And then look, it turned into a great time again to be accumulating. If you accumulated down here, look at this big run-up you would have gotten. Guys, look where we're sitting at right now underneath this yellow line again, indicating that this is a great time to be buying Bitcoin, which is what I've been saying. This is why, I have a cryptocurrency channel, which is why, this is not my first rodeo, guys. You have to understand that. When you're in this game, as long as we've been in this game, you've seen these things before, guys. Look at this. This was also, some rocky road right here, but was an indicator that it would actually be a great time to buy Bitcoin after the sell-off, right? Same thing here. We did not see a clear blow-off top. As you guys can see, this is a blow-off top. This is a blow-off top. This is a blow-off top. These are indicators of the end of a bull rally, right? We have not had that yet. We have just kind of been consolidating, broke down, right? Look at this. Look at this, kind of like this, right? We broke down here, and then we started having a run up, right? And then we kind of broke down, and then look, great accumulation. Guys, it doesn't get no more easier than this. I really believe it. Even if Bitcoin drops a little more, let's say it drops down to 18, even if it drops down to 18, I am not concerned. I'm a buyer, guys. If this thing drops under 20K, which honestly, guys, it may never drop to 20K. Let's be honest. It may never drop back down to 20K. You may have already missed that opportunity. So, I mean, I would be accumulating Bitcoin. I am accumulating Bitcoin. You know, I can't tell you what to do with your personal finances because, again, I'm not a financial advisor. But, guys, a lot of things pointing bullish for Bitcoin. I mean, we can look at a lot of these. Look at this golden ratio multiplier over here. Let's look at this. Also, same thing. Every time you are able to buy Bitcoin underneath this moving average right here, it has been a indicator that we're going to see some higher highs. This purple indicating that we're probably going to be seeing a top. You know, this, guys, you need to be using these type of charts. You need to be longer on this market. A lot of people got wrecked because they have a microwave mentality. They're not in this for the long haul. They're in this as a fad. They just see it as, you know, oh, my friends are doing it. Some people got rich off of it. I want to see if I could do it. They saw their money go down a little bit. They freaked out. They probably over leveraged, and now they're out of the market, right? You're here because you are long on Bitcoin. You're long on Bitcoin. And the people that have been long in the bear cycle, the people that watch the channel in the bear cycle are the people that come to me later on saying, dude, thank you so much. I was watching your videos all the time, and you changed my complete perspective about being a trader. You know, I have to not have a microwave mentality. You know, I have to be long on the market. And this is why, guys, a lot of people are going to get wrecked, I think, thinking that Bitcoin is going to drop down to 12K. Now, can that happen? Yes, that can happen. Even, look, we could create a head and shoulders and consolidate again sideways and drop bear. But, guys, I just don't think it's going to happen because, one, we're in a Fed election year, right? So we're going to be voting at the end in November, right? So I think that we're going to have a bullish Q4. That's what I've been saying. I think that there's a lot of indicators pointing to the fact that this is a great time to accumulate, you know, and this is not in the news. This is what we want, guys. We want Bitcoin to not be in the news, right? Bitcoin, we want people to have forgotten, right? That's what they do. Every time, you know, Bitcoin goes on a run, then they start doing all this regulation, right? Then it's in all the news. Everybody's telling you Bitcoin's so bad. You're going to hear all these billionaires say it's going to go to zero. And then it's going to drop tremendously, right? And then nobody's going to talk about it. This is when you buy it. You buy it when people stop talking about it. Because this is a time where people make millions and millions of dollars. So that's what I'm doing. Again, I can't tell you what to do with your money. But historically, looking off of these charts, every time you've bought Bitcoin, you know, in these down periods, in these periods where the Bitcoin's getting nothing, no news attention, right? Not even so much bear attention, right? Just no attention. Like Bitcoin's getting no attention. This is the best time to buy. This happened right here. It happened right here. You know, after the COVID thing, everybody was talking about COVID. Everybody stopped talking about Bitcoin. And I was saying, this makes no sense because if everybody's about to get a bunch of money, then this thing's going to pump because people are going to not know what to do with their money. They're going to be at home and they're going to want to make money. They have no money coming in. And that's exactly what happened. We saw a lot of money come in after the COVID pump. I think the same thing is going to happen pretty soon. I think people are going to start seeing Bitcoin as the store of value that it is. You have to understand, guys, yeah, we may be correlating with the stock market for now, but understand what Bitcoin is. Understand what this investment is. What it, you know, people are using this every single day. When I was in Dubai, people were buying and selling Bitcoin every single day for cash, all the time, every day. So these large transactions happen. They happen all over the world every day. And it's not going to stop. So it's not a matter of if Bitcoin is going to keep going up. It's a matter of when. You know, when will the whales decide that it's time to accumulate? And in my opinion, guys, the time to accumulate is now. All the charts pointing to the fact that the time to accumulate is now. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Are you bearish on Bitcoin? Are you bullish? You know my stance right now. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.